If you're a traveler, you need to master the art of packing. Here's how to make it a breeze. So you've got a trip planned and your suitcase looks like it's seen better days. Fear not, traveler. Step 1. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes saves space and keeps wrinkles at bay. Ever struggled with tangled cables? Use a glasses case to keep them tidy. And for those pesky shoes, shower caps are your new best friend. Pop them over the soles to keep your clothes clean. Now, toiletries. Travel-sized bottles are a game changer. And here's a tip: pack them in a Ziploc bag to prevent any unwanted shampoo explosions. Trust me, your clothes will thank you. When it comes to unpacking, don't just dump your stuff everywhere. Start with the essentials, toiletries, and chargers. Then hang up anything that needs to stay wrinkle-free. Got souvenirs? Keep a small pouch handy for those little treasures. It'll save you from the dreaded, "where did I put that" moment. And finally, a pro tip: pack a collapsible bag for those extras you somehow accumulate. Perfect for laundry or last-minute shopping sprees. There you have it! Packing and unpacking like a pro is all about smart choices and a bit of planning. Now go forth, explore, and travel like a boss. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more awesome travel tips. Safe travels!